In the realm of football, few stadiums evoke the same aura and grandeur as the Santiago Bernabéu. Home to Real Madrid, the club steeped in illustrious history,
12-year wait is over, and Real Madrid have their 10th title.
This iconic stadium has been a witness to countless historic moments. However, with the passage of time, the need for evolution became apparent. Thus emerged a monumental renovation project, breathing new life into this revered Coliseum. Before we continue exploring the new Santiago Bernabéu Stadium, make sure to like this video and subscribe to Mega Build Projects. Let us know in the comments below what you think about Real Madrid's new stadium upgrade. The metamorphosis of Santiago Bernabéu represents a colossal endeavor. Spearheaded by visionary architects and backed by a hefty investment nearing €1 billion. This ambitious project aimed not only to modernize but to redefine the essence of sporting arenas. The task was not just about refurbishing concrete and steel but encapsulating the spirit of the club and its fans within a new architectural marvel. Since 1947, this stadium has been the proud venue for Real Madrid, a club that boasts an impressive record of 14-time European champions. Over the years, it has transcended its role as merely a sports arena, transforming into one of Madrid's most prominent landmarks, symbolizing the city's football heritage and cultural identity. The Santiago Bernabéu is undergoing an ambitious transformation, seeking to elevate itself to the zenith of stadium design worldwide. This grand redevelopment is poised to redefine the stadium experience, introducing cutting-edge features that include a retractable roof and pitch. The focus extends beyond football, envisioning a versatile space capable of hosting an array of events, from sports to concerts and entertainment, signifying a paradigm shift in stadium functionality and revenue generation. The blueprint for the rejuvenated Bernabéu involves a blend of cutting-edge technology and architectural brilliance. A standout feature, the retractable pitch, signifies innovation at its peak. With the capability to be stored underground, this multifunctional pitch allows the stadium to host a variety of sports beyond football, adapting seamlessly to accommodate basketball, tennis, and more. Moreover, the stadium's exterior showcases a mesmerizing wraparound facade adorned with illuminated strips, adding a dynamic visual spectacle to the iconic structure. The inclusion of ultraviolet lighting and an advanced irrigation system ensures that the turf remains in impeccable condition, irrespective of the sporting event it hosts. While the investment into this monumental renovation might seem staggering, the anticipated returns are equally ambitious. Forecasts suggest a significant revenue boost, potentially soaring to €400 million annually. This economic stimulus underscores the importance of the stadium not just as a sporting arena, but as a lucrative hub for multifaceted events and commercial ventures. The journey towards the revamped Bernabéu was fraught with challenges. Unforeseen obstacles, including the COVID-19 pandemic and supply chain disruptions, caused delays and escalated costs. Despite these hurdles, the unwavering commitment of nearly 800 daily workers ensured that the stadium would open its doors once again to fans after an absence of 560 days. The recent unveiling of the partially refurbished stadium witnessed jubilation among fans. Yet, the project's completion remains on the horizon, slated for January 2023. Upon reaching its culmination, the Santiago Bernabéu is poised to welcome a staggering 85,000 spectators, solidifying its status among the largest and most state-of-the-art stadiums globally. The redevelopment of the Santiago Bernabéu Stadium promises an exciting transformation, marking its ascent as a global icon in both the realms of sports and architecture. As Florentino Perez envisages, the refurbished stadium will stand as the pinnacle, evoking emotions that will resonate throughout Real Madrid's future, solidifying its position as the paramount club of the 21st century. This ambitious venture, orchestrated through a collaboration between GMP Arquitectos and L35 Ribas, clinched the tender to revolutionize the stadium into a paragon of modernity and innovation. Architectural innovation has been a pivotal aspect of the redevelopment. Architects were challenged to design a structure that not only encapsulated the stadium's heritage, but also incorporated avant-garde elements. Real Madrid aimed for a stadium that could generate revenue beyond match days, a hub for diverse events and activities. This vision led to plans for multifunctional facilities, enabling the stadium to serve as a revenue-generating asset for the club and the city, with the potential to attract tourists and various audiences. At the heart of this renovation lies a vision to create a state-of-the-art arena that not only meets the demands of its esteemed club members, but also amplifies the club's revenue streams. The stadium's makeover boasts several striking features. Notably, the wraparound facade designed with strips of steel and illuminated stripes, serving as a canvas for dynamic images. Innovatively, the arena will offer options for a pitch covered by both permanent and retractable roofs, ensuring complete coverage for all seating areas. This transformation aims to render the Santiago Bernabe a contemporary, comfortable, and secure space, integrating leisure, dining, and entertainment zones. Technological advancements take precedence, embedding themselves into the stadium's core. An area dedicated to esports and a cutting-edge 360-degree scoreboard will immerse visitors in a digitally enriched environment. Furthermore, this metamorphosis will elevate the Santiago Bernabe into a digital haven, where technological strides and audio-visual tools permeate various stadium facets. Embracing the concept of a second screen, fans will enjoy club-generated content on their mobile devices, heightening their matchday experience. Additionally, a panoramic tour encompassing the stadium's outer periphery will extend the Tour Bernabéu experience for visitors. The project's scope transcends the stadium's confines, enriching the urban landscape with expansive squares and pedestrian-friendly zones. The extensive 20,000 square meter square along Paseo de la Castellana and the 5,500 square meter space at the Padre Damian corner are key enhancements. Improved security, accessibility, and enhanced evacuation measures are pivotal aspects, with increased entry points ensuring a safer environment for supporters. An ambitious commercial facet includes the demolition of the current shopping center, paving the way for 2 new towers on the Castellana. These towers, equipped with modern amenities such as ramps, escalators, and lifts, will offer an enhanced shopping experience. Digital points of sale featuring prestigious electronic and consumer goods brands will transform public areas into a showcase for the latest global products. The Santiago Bernabéu's renewal goes beyond stadium refurbishment. It's a testament to innovation, technology integration, and a commitment to creating an unparalleled sporting and leisure destination. However, leaving uncertainties about its completion, Real Madrid CF, arguably the most renowned football club globally, embarked on this ambitious renovation project in 2019 to revamp their iconic home ground. Delays have persisted, prompting questions about the readiness of the stadium and its eventual inauguration. As Los Blancos, recognized for their unparalleled success in Spanish League titles and European Cups Champions Leagues, navigated the 2021-22 season, the Santiago Bernabéu operated well below its 80,000 capacity, accommodating only 50,000 spectators. The comprehensive renovation aimed to introduce a retractable roof and pitch, a revamped outer shell, and a redesigned interior space within the stadium. Initially slated for completion by January 2023, the project timeline shifted due to the unforeseen challenges posed by the COVID-19 pandemic. Real Madrid hoped to mark the 75th anniversary of the original stadium's opening with the new inauguration. These factors contributed significantly to delays, pushing the project timeline beyond the initially projected completion date. Despite these obstacles, the stakeholders remained committed to delivering a stadium that exceeds expectations. However, recent projections suggest that the earliest potential opening could align with the commencement of the 2023-24 season, aiming for August, while more conservative estimates propose an inauguration by the end of the following year. The scale of the renovation led to a significant financial investment. Reports indicated Real Madrid's contemplation of an additional loan, ranging between 150 to 200 million euros, augmenting the original 575 million euros loan, subsequently increased by 225 million euros in 2021. This third loan would push the total project cost beyond 1 billion euros. Despite the setbacks, Real Madrid's leadership anticipates that the modernized stadium will yield substantial revenue estimated at 400 million euros annually. Ambitious design plans include covering the stadium's exterior with steel strips and lines capable of illuminating projected images. The retractable roof, spanning the playing surface, will integrate a colossal panoramic screen, imparting a futuristic ambiance to the entire venue. Modifications to increase stadium capacity were shelved due to escalating expenses. However, new stands on the east side, accommodating 3,000 seats, were incorporated by reallocating seating from other areas to ensure more spacious spectator access routes, crucial amidst the pandemic aftermath. Real Madrid's vision extends beyond the stadium's physical layout, aiming to construct a logistics tunnel encircling the stadium exterior, optimizing supply chains to various amenities. Furthermore, plans for new towers housing additional access routes, along with enhanced infrastructure like ramps, escalators, and lifts, are part of this extensive renovation. The unique feature of a retractable pitch serves multiple purposes, intended primarily for football matches, but adaptable for other sports and events. Stored 24 meters beneath the surface in 6 sections, each contained within steel trays, the pitch's maintenance involves advanced systems, including heating, irrigation, drainage, and LED lighting, ensuring optimum condition round the year. The stadium's redevelopment involved an intricate construction process, from disassembling the old roof to installing new seating arrangements and erecting towers for structural support. One of the standout features was the introduction of a retractable roof and pitch, necessitating meticulous planning and installation of high-tech systems to ensure optimal functioning, including lighting, heating, and pitch maintenance. Delays in construction were attributed to multiple factors, including the COVID-19 pandemic and the Russia-Ukraine conflict, impacting material supplies, particularly steel. The surge in steel prices across Europe, owing to increased energy costs and supply disruptions, compounded the project's challenges. Rob Amphlett, the UK sports lead at Buro Happold, involved in designing the retractable pitch for Tottenham, highlighted the complexities faced by Real Madrid. The project's magnitude, encompassing various structural enhancements while simultaneously operating the stadium, posed formidable challenges. Syncing club operations with construction schedules becomes pivotal in such intricate projects, ensuring seamless coordination between logistical operations and crowd management. Real Madrid faces a delicate balancing act between revenue maximization, cost control, and minimal disruption to the team's performance objectives. Despite the extended timeline and increased costs, the renovated Santiago Bernabe Stadium promises substantial returns. The revamped venue is expected to not only elevate the fan experience, but also significantly enhance revenue generation potential, making it a multifaceted asset for Real Madrid and the broader community. Moreover, the redevelopment aims to create public spaces, fostering a stronger connection between the stadium and the local community, emphasizing the transformative power of sports infrastructure in community development. As the renovation saga continues, Real Madrid's quest for domestic and European glory persists amidst the backdrop of an evolving Santiago Bernabéu Stadium, poised to redefine the sports and architectural landscape upon completion. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for further developments and revelations as the Santiago Bernabéu Stadium undergoes a groundbreaking metamorphosis, reshaping the future of stadium design and sports infrastructure.